like and subscribe. 2 years ago, earning $100,000 a year sounded like you had made it. Today, it barely feels upper middle class. Rent has gone up, groceries cost more, insurance keeps climbing. Today's video is going to show you the smartest financial strategies based on your earnings. If you earn around $60,000 a year, your goal isn't to get rich overnight. Your mission is to build an unbreakable financial foundation. Millionaires aren't created when they make their first million. They're created through the habits they build long before that. Here is exactly what I would do. Step 1. Stop financial leaks before building wealth. Imagine trying to fill a swimming pool while someone drilled holes in the bottom. No matter how much water you pour in, it never fills. That's exactly what happens when you're trying to save money while carrying expensive debt. Before you worry about investing or buying real estate, you have to plug the leaks. Today, those leaks aren't just credit cards anymore. They're buy now, pay later plans, subscription services, monthly app fees, and impulse shopping. They quietly steal hundreds of dollars every month. Here's your challenge. Grab a notebook. Write down every debt you owe, every monthly payment. Seeing it on paper changes everything. Then attack the highest interest debt first. Every dollar of interest you eliminate is like giving yourself a raise without asking your boss. Step 2. Get every dollar your employer offers. If your boss offered you an extra $3,000 this year, would you say no? Of course not. Yet thousands of Americans do exactly that by ignoring their employer's retirement match. If your company offers a 401k match, take it. On a $60,000 income, a 5% match is $3,000 of free money every year. You simply have to participate. Step 3. Build your Life Happens Fund. Why do people end up back in debt? Because life doesn't stop throwing surprises at you. Flat tires, broken water heaters, or emergency bills. The problem isn't that emergencies happen. It's that most people aren't financially prepared when they do. Your next priority isn't investing, it's creating an emergency fund. Start with 1 month of living expenses as your first milestone. Keep it in a high-yield savings account. Think of this money as your financial airbag. You'll be incredibly thankful it's there if you need it. Step 4. Invest early even if it's only $250 per month. The amount matters far less than when you begin. Sarah starts at 25. Michael waits until 35. Sarah often finishes with more because she gave compound growth an extra decade to work. Step 5. Your greatest investment isn't the stock market. It's increasing your earning power. What skill could you learn that employers would pay more for? Maybe it's project management, sales, data analytics, or AI automation. A certification that increases your salary can be worth hundreds of thousands. Step 6. Stop trading time for small money. If you're making $60,000 a year, your time is worth roughly $30 an hour. Instead of chasing gigs that barely move the needle, invest your evenings into learning skills that permanently increase your income. Become more valuable. Focus on mastering these 6 habits. Once your foundation is strong, every future raise becomes easier to turn into lasting wealth. Subscribe and like.